Can I expound, Your Honor? Since I joined the Bureau, I've heard stories about the TARA system. And it seems that the TARA system was in place even before this container shipments was in place.
Yes.
Because shipments before was in open. There's no modal containers. It's not covered. So in open. So they make the TARA, they count. TARA is a counting system at the time, Your Honor, that they make. Yes.
Attorney,
That was the context, Your Honor, and then that I explained that I heard. Then eventually, Your Honor, during my stint in the Bureau of Customs, I also heard it during inquiries, just like what happened during the inquiry in this EMT case, Your Honor, please.
Hindi, ang sinasabi